Hi guys, I will just try to explain how the AR remote car with the new ARKit SDK. So I will try to explain how it works. So just open the application and you will see a searching rectangle like this, and when it finds the surface it will be a solid rectangle just like that, and just tap the somewhere to place the car. So you will see this car will be placed. You can make it bigger or smaller with the left upper corner buttons, and just use the joystick like this to manipulate the wheels, and you will see you can change the car with the upper right corner button, change car button, and there are just 5 cars, but I will add more cars and customization later. So you can drive and open the doors right now. Just double tap to open the doors and double tap again to close it, so you can just look into the cars and see the details there. So I will make it smaller to drive it easily around. So I'm just tapping the smaller button, and you can easily drive the car like this in your room or in your work. So I'm just tapping again to close the doors, and you can change the car and drive that car. So hope you like the application.